you think it's all over, think again. Just when you believe the nightmare has ended, another fury erupts even more violently. The mountain roars, spewing glowing lava that devours everything in its path. At the same time, ancient glaciers once thought indestructible crack and melt, unleashing catastrophic ice collapses. This isn't just an overwhelming spectacle, it's a warning. Earth is fighting back stronger than ever. If you are, then join us now as we dive into the most majestic and breathtaking moments ever caught on camera. Right from the start, the scene erupts with unbelievable, terrifying power. From above, you're witnessing the 5th day of the volcanic eruption in Iceland, an absolutely horrifying sight. Drone footage reveals glowing rivers of lava flowing like fiery veins of the earth, tearing through the land and devouring everything in their path. Massive cracks keep spreading, opening up colossal fire pits that erupt without pause. This is not just a spectacular sight, but a historic moment unfolding before our very eyes, vivid, raw, and unforgettable. The reason the volcano has been erupting for days is that magma, gas, and pressure inside the earth built up to an extreme point before violently exploding, hurling lava, ash, and rocks high into the air. Raging lava flows incinerate everything in their path. Ash clouds rise to block out the sunlight, while toxic gases like CO2 and SO2 spread across the region, covering the landscape in inescapable chaos. Here, any sense of complacency is deadly. Just one wrong step could mean death, and nowhere is safe from the devastating force of the lava. Wherever a volcano passes, it leaves behind a scene of devastation. Lava turns the ground into a sea of fire, ash blankets the sky like a thick gray curtain, and toxic gases spread everywhere. Trees are burned to ash, rivers are forced to change course, the land becomes barren, and ecosystems fall into chaos, unable to recover for many years. Truly terrifying. That's right, you're witnessing a scene both majestic and mesmerizing. Glowing red lava flowing from the earth into the sea. Have you ever wondered what happens when fire meets water? Small explosions continuously tear through the seafloor, while at the same time melting and reshaping it, slowly giving birth to a new island. Before our eyes, nature is both destroyed and reborn, a vivid testament to Earth's destructive power and its boundless ability to regenerate. dawn to breathe a sigh of relief. Just yet the scariest part is still ahead. When a volcano erupts, lava and ash not only heat up the ocean but also contribute to global warming, causing massive glaciers that have stood for thousands of years to collapse. And it's this very collapse that triggers violent tsunamis, swallowing shorelines and sweeping away everything in their path. You're witnessing a chain of interconnected natural disasters, both majestic and terrifying, where every moment holds an almost unimaginable destructive power. When massive icebergs break off and drift across the ocean, they are not only majestic sights but also carry countless hidden dangers. They obstruct shipping routes, push ocean currents off course, and disrupt marine ecosystems. Fish, plankton, and smaller sea creatures are forced out of their habitats, while the spread of cold water alters local climates. When icebergs drift close to beaches where people live, they become a clear threat, ready to unleash even more serious consequences. The rapid melting of glaciers, combined with imbalances in ocean currents, releases an enormous volume of water into the sea. The result is the formation of massive tsunamis that wash away shorelines, destroy homes, and pose a direct threat to human lives. The ash settles and the lava cools, the terrifying power of nature remains etched in our minds. We realize just how small we truly are and how, in only a second, chaos can strike without warning. Natural disasters not only devastate, but also remind us to respect and stay vigilant before Earth's boundless power. See you in the next video, where nature erupts even more fiercely than you could ever imagine.